How to hide away photos or videos into a private safe that can be found within the Photos album of your OnePlus phone with Android 15. To hide photos, videos, or albums into a private safe, first on your OnePlus phone, you want to go into the Photos album, not the one that says Google Photos. You're looking for the one that looks like this here. Once you enter here, you'll see this layout where you have all your photos, and you want to switch to where it says albums right there. Within the albums section, if you have multiple albums, you want to go down until you see private. By selecting this option here, if it's your very first time setting this up, you will see this here, and you'll need to set a privacy password first. So go ahead and set that up first. Now you can set it up from here. And of course, you can use a different kind. So if you don't want the 6 digits, you can tap where the red words are right here and choose the 4 digits or pattern or whatever. Choose something that's secure. For me, I'll just go with this as a demonstration to show you how this works. Now, once you've done this here, and you'll have to confirm your password a second time, and make sure you have your recovery email as well as your question here so you know how to go about doing this. Okay, put an answer that you can remember. For me, I'll just put none for now, and that's that. Now that you're here, you'll notice that you have the option to add right here. And once you're here in this section here, you can go ahead and choose photos that you have in your gallery app. And again, this is only with the Photos gallery app for OnePlus itself. So go ahead and select the ones that you want. And then once you're done making that selection, you will also see to the bottom center the part that says set as private. And it's going to save it for you as private, okay? Now, once you're done with all of this here, you have them saved in a private safe. If ever you decide to go back and view these photos again or videos, just go back to where it says private safe. You will be prompted to put in your password. And once you're here now, you can go into them and view them if you so decide that. Also, selecting them again will allow you to unlock them and return them back, or using the move option to put them back to where they originally was. Or you can delete them from here. And that's that. Like and sub.